Found this monarch butterfly on the bike trail coming back. I feel like I'm witnessing the death of a butterfly. I am witnessing. It's crushed at the back. I don't know if I did that with my bike, that I didn't notice it on the trail. And it's tremoring. And I had it on my hand, and I'm really crushed by this, literally. This thing, I hope I didn't do this. I'm sickened. I don't know anything about the monarch butterfly. I don't know how long they live or anything. But I don't know if I should take it with me, if I should put it out of its misery, or if I should just let it die or whatever. I mean, do butterflies have feelings? Do people worry about this, that, and the other thing? And I don't know. In meditation, when I go on my shamanic journeys and I pray about death and speak to death, and in my job I encounter death in its various ages and stages. I give pause a lot. Today I almost cry for a patient. I feel, I don't know. What happens when a butterfly dies? Is that automatic? I don't know. Hmm.